I mentioned earlier, I found this campground from Campendium. So if you're looking for free campgrounds, I use Campendium, which is a free website. And this is called Oyster Lake County Park, and it's a county park located in Collegeport, Texas. It's on Oyster Lake Road. So I'm gonna put some screenshots from my phone because it's got a very strong signal here, which is actually good, but my phone is not working so well. I'm trying to get screenshot, but it's locking up my phone. Maybe I need to, okay, that's it. I'll just hold it, take a screenshot, and usually it will tell you the official website and the official website, and then there's a GPS coordinate. I use GPS coordinate because I'm not very good in directions, so I usually get lost, and it will tell you the GPS coordinates. So I would enter it because my GPS, you can enter the latitude and longitude, so it's easier for me, because otherwise if I look for the actual address, I usually cannot find it. But anyway, that's how I did it, and I will post it on this video. And that's how I found this free campground. So you go to this website, Campendium. I have a lot of reviews there. I haven't updated a lot of reviews after a while, so maybe I should start doing that one because it's free, and the members usually just do reviews, and you can post your reviews, and people will, like me, I would like to see reviews of other campers. That way I will know the area before even choosing it. This campground, there are no reviews, so nobody has either camped here or even put a review, so maybe I should put one. I'll take some pictures probably and then post it because there are no reviews. It's like a hidden gem. It's a good place to camp. There's nobody here, and if you want quiet and solitude, like I said, mentioned earlier, this would be it. It's also ideal because even though it's so remote, you need to drive to 8 miles of unpaved road, but the phone signal is very strong for T-Mobile. I use Mint Mobile that uses T-Mobile, and it's strong and it's fast. And although there are no trees around, so in the summer it's gonna get hot, but if you have a tarp tent or a tent, maybe it's okay. This time it's windy and it's cold there. It's around 73 degrees, but the wind, all the sea or beach campground I've been to is like that. It's windy. Here there are no picnic tables. It looks like this is a good place for fishing. So I showed you earlier the fishing rod holders, so you can come here, fish, and then you know, if you can catch fish. We saw like 2 or 3 fish jumping out of the water. I hope the camera was able to take that video. That way, if it's clear, then we can see there's really fish here, and they're like right there. You can see it's right there. We are right at the water. If you camp here, we're just at the water, which is also good. So anyway, that's for my video for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you will subscribe to Fun or Not so I can make more videos. And I would like to thank you for watching the videos and supporting my channel. Only one channel. Okay, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.